Krishna, my name is Srikar. I am attending Lexan Drive BV and my Shiksha Guru is Shamagam Prabhu. I am going to explain the importance of Tilak to all of you. Tilak is put using the clay from the banks of holy rivers. This clay is considered the dust from the lotus feet of Krishna and his pure devotees. The U shape in the Tilak represents the lotus feet of the Lord, and the lower portion of the Tilak reminds us that we are the servants of his lotus feet. The body is the temple of Lord Krishna, so it is our responsibility to decorate our body with Tilak. And lastly, do not feel shy to apply Tilak. Now I will be showing you how to apply Tilak. Forehead, Om Keshaya Namaha. Belly, Om Narayanaya Namaha. Chest, Om Madhavaya Namaha. Neck, Om Govindaya Namaha. Right belly, Om Vishnuvaya Namaha. Right arm, Madhusudanaya Namaha. Right shoulder, Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Left belly, Om Vamanaya Namaha. Left arm, Om Sridharaya Namaha. Left shoulder, Om Rishikeshaya Namaha. Upper back, Om Padmanabhaya Namaha. Lower back, Om Damodaraya Namaha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Hope you find this video useful. All glories to Srila Prabhupaad. Hare Krishna.